All right, guys, we're live here for PYT baseball mixer PYT number 14. And no, George, we're not starting with 14. Good luck, guys. For the White Sox, Ozzie Guillen. Ozzie Guillen for the White Sox. BG. What else is new? BG's on the board. 26 out of 50. B. Jizzle. For the Colorado Rockies, number to 50, John Gray. Going to Eric. Congrats, Eric. Everyone says Turner. It's interesting. Can't get it to focus. Great. It's crazy because the soccer was so good. I just want to see it focus. Oh my God. Another one. Unbelievable. Nice. Jeremy Biggers, congratulations, man. No, this is the PYT number. This is mixer number 14. It's the PYT. Congratulations, Jeremy. I know you've been wanting one for a while. Congrats, brother. Rodon for the White Sox. Carlos Rodon for the White Sox, baby. Going back to BG. Going back to BG. Talk to me, fellas. How's this sound? Tell me something good. Oh my God. You've got to be joking. The last 3 5-star cases, you've got to be joking. There were 2 Bo Jackson autos in this case. Numbered to 20. You've got to be joking. Wow. Wow. Jimmy P. Again. He hit it again. Unbelievable. What are the odds? What are the odds? Yeah, you got to do the rainbow now, man. Seriously. Jimmy, I need a 180-point mag. Here they go. What are the freaking odds? Wow. Dude, that's crazy. What are the odds? Unbelievable. The Rays-Padres combo. Blake Snell. Blake Snell. For Colby. Congratulations, Colby. Welcome to the fam, man. I love that blue, too. So, I think the one last night was a silver. Congratulations, Colby. Okay. That is crazy that we've hit. Wow. Oh my God. Nice. For the Red Sox, yes, 32 out of 50. Nice. Nice on-card joint. I'm determined to get all this all fixed, guys. I am determined. I know it doesn't bother you guys. For Gerald, bothers me like you can't believe. Gerald, 32 out of 50. Congrats, Gerald. Tyler Naquin for the Indians. Tyler Naquin, Cleveland Indians. For Rigo. Congrats, Rigo. Ah, Hammy, I'm sorry, buddy. Congrats, Rigo. Great question, Cook. For the Phillies, number 2, 149, Steve Carlton, lefty. Steve Carlton for Stefan Morrow. Congrats, Stefan. Might have to go with West on that one. For the Cardinals, man, this is the second time this has happened. Number to 499, Shelby Miller. Shelby Miller going to Vincent Gonzalez. Shelby Miller. And guess what, Vincent? Right behind Shelby is Michael Wacha. Second time it's happened. Second time it's happened. I mean, we have opened a lot of cases. Second time that I remember. Oh my God! Simmons for Georgie! And there went the sound. I'm sorry, man. Can't hear shit. Speakers are blown. Great. How's that? Wow, this is a freaking random. Wow. Oh my God. Sorry about the speakers, guys. I'm just freaking man. Unbelievable. Silver ink, Evan Longoria, number to 50. Evan Longoria, 39 out of 50. Evan Longoria. Going to Rigo, I think. Sorry about that, guys. It's hard not to get hyped when you hit something like that. No, it's going to Colby. Hey, bro. Woo. Colby, you're balling, man. Unbelievable. Another bat knob. It's crazy. Whoever gets it, I want it. Whoever gets it, I freaking want it. You understand? I'll block the view this time. There he goes. Numbered to 50. There he goes. There he goes. I told you I had a feeling. Kershaw. Unbelievable. Congrats, Jim. What a break. What a break. What a break. West, if you ask me about that card again, I'm not selling it to you. Koji for the Red Sox. Number to 499. Koji for the Red Sox. Going to Gerald. Congratulations. Yeah, they have been due. Are you kidding me? 14 5-star. We are the only people breaking it. Printer joint. That's where it still is. Cook, tell them what I found on the floor tonight. C.J. Wilson for the Angels, number to 399. 38 out of 399. C.J. Wilson for the Angels. For Sean Jensen. Congratulations, Sean. On the board. Yangervis Solarte, the combo is getting paid. Colby. Nice, man. Nice. Congratulations. Stuck to the back of it. Number to 25, Taiwan Walker. Taiwan Walker for the Mariners. Taiwan Walker. For Wes Ackerman, congratulations. Congratulations. And last but certainly not least, Paul O'Neill. Oh my God. Paul O'Neill. Number to 25. I know. Padres and Rays for days. Paulie O'Neill. Wow. Tell me why, Michael. Tell me why. Tell me what you don't like about it. Because to tell you the truth, most people prefer this. They prefer this. All right, I'll random it right now too, guys. Give me a second.